공원에서 영어 회화 연습.
English practice conversation in a park. English practice conversation in a park.
좋은 날이죠?
Beautiful day, huh? Beautiful day, huh?
응, 정말 화창해.
Yeah, really sunny. Yeah, really sunny.
완벽한 공원 날씨.
Perfect park weather. Perfect park weather.
알아요. 정말 평화롭습니다.
I know, so peaceful. I know, so peaceful.
벤치에 앉아볼까?
Want to sit on the bench? Want to sit on the bench?
물론이죠. 좀 쉬자고요.
Sure, let's take a break. Sure, let's take a break.
여기에 자주 오시나요?
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
설마, 그냥 탐험하는 중이에요.
Not really, just exploring. Not really, just exploring.
여기도 마찬가지입니다. 처음으로.
Same here, first time. Same here, first time.
휴식을 취하기에 좋은 장소입니다.
It's a great spot to relax. It's a great spot to relax.
전적으로 동의합니다. 새들은 좋다.
Totally agree. Birds are nice. Totally agree. Birds are nice.
참새인 것 같아요.
I think they're sparrows. I think they're sparrows.
아, 새를 아시나요?
Oh, you know birds? Oh, you know birds?
조금, 많지는 않지만.
A little, not much though. A little, not much though.
글쎄요, 귀엽네요.
Well, they look cute. Well, they look cute.
응, 여기 정말 차분한 분위기야.
Yeah, really calm vibe here. Yeah, really calm vibe here.
트레일을 시도해 보셨나요?
Have you tried the trail? Have you tried the trail?
아니요. 그런데 지금 궁금해요.
No, but I'm curious now. No, but I'm curious now.
내 생각엔 그리 길지 않은 것 같아.
It's not too long, I think. It's not too long, I think.
확인해 볼까요?
Should we check it out? Should we check it out?
좀 쉬고 나면 아마도요.
After a bit of rest, maybe. After a bit of rest, maybe.
좋은 것 같아요. 서두르지 마세요.
Sounds good. No rush. Sounds good. No rush.
한 주 잘 보내셨나요?
How's your week been? How's your week been?
바쁘지만 괜찮습니다. 당신 것?
Busy, but it's alright. Yours? Busy, but it's alright. Yours?
여기도 마찬가지야. 주말이라 다행이네.
Same here, glad it's weekend. Same here, glad it's weekend.
주말이 너무 빨리 지나가네요.
Weekends go by too fast. Weekends go by too fast.
더 길었으면 좋겠어요.
Wish they were longer. Wish they were longer.
오른쪽, 시간이 조금 더 필요합니다.
Right? Just a bit more time. Right? Just a bit more time.
이 공원은 좋은 탈출구예요.
This park's a good escape. This park's a good escape.
물론, 매우 상쾌합니다.
Absolutely, very refreshing. Absolutely, very refreshing.
평소에 공원을 좋아하시나요?
Do you like parks in general? Do you like parks in general?
네, 특히 날씨가 좋을 때요.
Yeah, especially with good weather. Yeah, especially with good weather.
비 오는 날도 좋지만,
Rainy days are nice too, though. Rainy days are nice too, though.
사실이지만 여기서 걷기에는 적합하지 않습니다.
True, but not for walking here. True, but not for walking here.
맞아. 진흙탕 길이니 뭐니.
Right, muddy trails and all. Right, muddy trails and all.
트레일 얘기가 나와서 말인데, 지금 가볼까?
Speaking of trails, want to go now? Speaking of trails, want to go now?
해보자. 그것이 어디로 이어지는지 봅시다.
Let's do it. Let's see where it leads. Let's do it. Let's see where it leads.
어딘가 시원한 곳이길 바랍니다.
Hopefully somewhere cool. Hopefully somewhere cool.
어쩌면 연못을 찾을 수도 있을 것 같아요.
Maybe we'll find a pond. Maybe we'll find a pond.
아, 그거 보고 싶네요.
Oh, I'd love to see that. Oh, I'd love to see that.
거기에 물고기가 있다고 들었습니다.
Heard there are fish in it. Heard there are fish in it.
정말 흥미롭네요.
Really? That's interesting. Really? That's interesting.
어쩌면 우리도 그럴까요?
Maybe ducks too? Maybe ducks too?
아, 찾아보자.
Ooh, let's look for them. Ooh, let's look for them.
좋은 생각이에요. 제 생각에는 이쪽으로요.
Good idea. This way, I think. Good idea. This way, I think.
그런 것 같습니다. 시도해 보겠습니다.
Looks like it. Let's try. Looks like it. Let's try.
여기 바람이 참 좋죠?
Nice breeze out here, huh? Nice breeze out here, huh?
응, 시원하게 유지해.
Yeah, keeps it cool. Yeah, keeps it cool.
도시보다 훨씬 낫습니다.
So much better than the city. So much better than the city.
완전히, 훨씬 더 신선한 공기.
Totally. Much fresher air. Totally. Much fresher air.
근처에 사시나요?
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
좀 가깝습니다. 너?
Kinda close. You? Kinda close. You?
꽤 가까워서 10분 정도?
Pretty close, about 10 minutes. Pretty close, about 10 minutes.
전혀 나쁘지 않습니다.
That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all.
아니, 정말 편리해요.
Nope, super convenient. Nope, super convenient.
스낵 가판대가 있는지 궁금하시죠?
Wonder if there's a snack stand? Wonder if there's a snack stand?
좋겠는데, 배가 좀 고프네요.
Would be nice, I'm a bit hungry. Would be nice, I'm a bit hungry.
같은, 간식이 좋을 것 같습니다.
Same, a snack sounds great. Same. A snack sounds great.
계속해서 주변을 둘러보며 걸어가자.
Let's keep walking and look around. Let's keep walking and look around.
어쩌면 운이 좋을지도 몰라.
Yeah, maybe we'll get lucky. Yeah, maybe we'll get lucky.
손가락이 교차했습니다.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.